Welcome to the Dancing Vegan. Today we're going to make cabbage and barbecue jerk cauliflower. First up, cabbage stir fry. Ingredients include cabbage, carrots, garlic, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, habanero pepper, thyme, ginger, lemon, yellow onion, and tomatoes. Spices for the cabbage are turmeric, salt, cayenne, paprika, and black pepper. Prep everything except the cabbage and the tomatoes first. Add coconut oil to a pan. Add your spices. Add your carrots, onions, and ginger. Add your habanero pepper and a fresh piece of thyme. Add your bell peppers, garlic, and stir. Finally, chop your cabbage and add it to the pan. Add some more paprika and let it cook down. Lastly, chop your tomatoes and add them to the pan. Cook until cabbage is ready. Next, cauliflower with BBQ Jerk Sauce. Ingredients include 1 whole cauliflower, salt, paprika, pepper, jerk, and barbecue sauce. Take some olive oil and cover your cauliflower florets. Add paprika, salt, and pepper, and then add your cauliflower to a baking sheet. Put it in the oven for 30 minutes on 350. Add jerk and barbecue sauce to a mixing bowl. Add the baked cauliflower and mix. We're serving with quinoa and peas. Check our link for the full recipe. Time to eat.